the content before you so that you can engage so much time to read all these papers. But out of these documents, I am just narrating only 5 4 things so that you can take your super confidence. What is the meaning of super confidence? Confidence is the first thing by which a person can interact with any stranger. The power of a stranger, the power of talking to a stranger is very important. If you are not knowing that the strangers are the real treasures in our life, then you are underestimating your own possibilities. Today, I am discussing you that what is your niche and how you can adopt the power of talking with strangers to work on your niche. If you are very new for any particular subject, then you should take some initiative to start learning and collecting information. Once you engage with your niche and area of work, then you choose first the real strangers to produce that much content. Once you produce your content within a pool of strangers and again you will do same type of talk with these persons, then you attain the confidence for that particular subject, that particular area of work. Once you be appreciated with strangers, actually the power of appreciation is very much concerned with the relatives and strangers. If we receive appreciation from our relatives, we are feeling that they are used to support us. But once you receive the appreciation from strangers population, then you feel that it is reward in the it is the gift from side of some new friends who are looking me for this particular job. Once you will see that this particular niche is good for yourself, then you have to learn that why you should be paid for that particular teaching or area of work. Then you have to see that what you are producing. Once you calculate that what is the possibility you can produce and how you can serve the society, then you also learn this type of addition in my content provide me some revenue. Once you decide that this type of work I can do and can receive some money, then you have to channelize this type of regular working to society so that they can offer some revenue to you for that service. So we are covering here the power